Okay, our topic is all about occupational health. First, let us know what is occupational and what is health. Occupational is related to a job or profession. Health is the absence of disease or infirmity or the state of being free from diseases or injuries. Okay? Now, what is occupational health? Occupational health refers to a branch of medicine that focuses on the health and well-being of employees in the workplace. So, why does occupational health is a branch of medicine? Because it aims to provide or to prevent or aid possible diseases or injuries. It aims to prevent work-related injuries and illnesses, promote health and productivity, and ensure a safety and healthy work environment. Because a person's health can affect their work favorably through their higher levels of commitment and performances, or negatively through higher level of commitments, or through higher levels of presenteeism or absenteeism. Okay, next is some key aspects of occupational health.
Next one is return to work programs, helping employees who have been injured or ill to return to work safely and effectively. So by simply helping your employee that have been injured or ill, so para makabalik siya sa trabaho.
Number 2 is health surveillance, monitoring the health of employees, detect any work-related health problems early on. So, by entering the workplace, so kinahanglan i-check ang medical records if nabay sakit or wala. So, for example na niya is nag-apply ka sa construction worker tapos nakay-sakit na heart attack. So, di kaya siya pwede kay for example, isugo ka nga asahan ka sa minito, asahan ka sa so pati pag nagkakaroon kang imong heart attack, so possible din na siya na kung nasa mahulog ka or natugan.
Ways to adapt healthy lifestyle such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and stress management. Example of regular exercise. Mag-alok sa mga tao na ehersisyo sa mga katulad sa yoga mat o sa ehersisyo sa gym. And example sa healthy eating, exercise ng healthy eating. Sa pagkaon sa mga masustansya o mga gulay, sa saktong pagkaon sa oras.
Injury and illnesses preventions. Implementing measures to prevent workplace injuries and illnesses such as training program, personal protective equipment, and ergonomic design. So before you enter that work, you must first attend training program to prevent our injuries and
So the next key aspects of occupational health is mental health support. Mental health support, providing support and resources to employees to manage work-related stress, anxiety, and other mental health concerns. So, in other explanation, mental health support is refers to providing employees with resources and assistance to manage work-related fitness and anxiety and other mental health concerns, and providing promoting overall well-being and productivity. For example, the way you interact sa imong katrabaho or co-workers.
Okay, next, compliance with regulations. Ensuring that the organization complies with relevant occupational health and safety regulations and standards. So, also to protect the employees from the workplace hazard, like to reduce injuries and illnesses, like for example, for their physical safety, provide PPE such as gloves, safety glasses, and masks to prevent injuries and for the safety of employees.
Next, there are some of the benefits of occupational health programs. Include reduce workplace injuries and illnesses. By eliminating those hazards, it could greatly reduce workplace illnesses and injuries. Improve employee health and well-being. By improving
Yes, indeed. If you're if you're physically healthy and mentally healthy, it could reduce absenteeism. Absenteeism is unable to work in a job, and the presenteeism is although present sila but they're not well productive in their work. So, dapat siya one is increase productivity and efficiency. So being a healthy person or a healthy employee increases their productive work and they're efficient to their job.